Welcome to your next car. Quick walk around video of this new in stock 430D M Sport Coupe. Presented in Astral Blue, fitted with the Your Next Car body styling pack. Let's have a look around. 20-inch wheels, these are the new bi-colour M8 competition style. Brand new tyres all round. Xenon headlights. Gloss black kidney grills. M4 style. The wheels are a staggered fitment, so wider at the rear, they look very aggressive. Front and rear parking sensors, split folding rear seats, 6-cylinder, 3 litre, this is an 8-speed paddle shift. Let's take a look at the interior. Black Dakota leather, electric heated front seats and electric memory function on the driver's seat. Professional widescreen sat nav. Let's take a look at the back seats here. Very tidy, don't look like they've been sat in. Cruise control, automatic lights, rain sensors, park sensors, DAB digital radio. This has a full BMW service history. Let's take a look at that. Due to be serviced today. BMW trained technician. So this is the service history on the iDrive. Next service was due in 2,400. That's going to be serviced today. Mileage on this one is 73,000. It doesn't look like it's covered that sort of mileage. It's a one-owner car. It's very, very tidy. Thanks for watching.